Hello, my name is Thomas Hogle. I'm with Canyon State Law, lead attorney. Today I'm going to talk about something counterintuitive to us private attorneys. We want you to hire us, we want you to trust us, we want you to go through the process of a criminal case with representation, especially with somebody that's comfortable and confident through the whole procedure and proceedings of a criminal case. However, there are occasions and there are abilities and ways to be able to avoid hiring a private attorney. And that's usually not something a private attorney wants to talk about, but it is something that you need to know. When you first go into a case, when you're charged and you have a court date, the first court date is an arraignment. The arraignment date is an opportunity for the judge to meet with you, explain your rights, go over the charges against you, and you have the opportunity to set your case for trial or put your case on a pre-trial docket. And these are terms and things that you don't need to know at this stage, but the judge will want to go over them with you just to kind of make sure you understand what the charges are against you. At that court date, you have a few different options. One of them would be you could tell the court that you plan on hiring a private attorney. And they usually will put your case on, they'll reset your court date, and they'll let you have some time to go find the right private attorney to hire. There are other two options, usually in a misdemeanor case, where you could waive your right to counsel, which means that you waive your right to hire an attorney at that stage of your case, and you're willing to do so you can talk to the prosecution directly. That allows you to be your own representation because you're representing yourself. And that gives you an opportunity to talk to the prosecutor directly about the circumstances of your case, any factors or things that you would like to present to them to show that you didn't do it, or circumstances around the allegation that would maybe help your case. The other way you can do this is if your case is eligible for a public defender, only certain charges are. If you're eligible for that and you have financial restrictions, you can apply for a public defender, or if the court has contract attorneys, all that means is they have attorneys that are contracted with the court to actually represent cases that have a lack of means to hire a private counsel. Then you can apply for that and actually get a contract attorney or a public defender on your case, and they can help you and represent you and go through the process with you on a criminal case. Those are some common ways. Some courts have different procedures of when they allow you to waive counsel or when they allow you to put in an application for financial hardship to let you have a contract or public defender attorney. There are some restrictions on these things, so it does depend on your court on when you can do that, what type of charge you have. However, these are some things that you can ask to the court when you actually get down there to try to facilitate not having to hire a private attorney on your case. There are some advantages to hiring a private attorney. I won't go through them in this video, but one of the main points would be is that you have a little bit more control when you have a private attorney of when your court dates are set. You have a little more freedom and a little more communication to be able to get through this process cleaner, easier. And there's also, depending on what attorney that you get, you have a chance to choose who it is. And you have a chance to choose who represents you in court that way. If you have further questions about what your rights are at the arraignment stage, or if you would like to know more about how to go through this process, feel free to call me. You can call me directly at Canyon State Law, number here, 480-630-7672. Thank you.